Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the token limit reached issue in the Chai app. Let's get started. First, locate the Chai app on your phone's home screen. Tap and hold the app icon until a menu appears. From the menu, tap on App Info. You'll now be taken to the App Info page. Here, tap on the Storage option. On the storage screen, you'll see the amount of cache stored by the app. If the cache has accumulated a large amount of data, tap Clear Cache to remove it. This will delete only the temporary files stored by the app and will not remove your account or chat history. Once the cache has been cleared, close the App Info window. Now open the Chai app again and check whether the issue has been resolved. In many cases, clearing the app cache can help fix temporary app-related problems. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.